Hello everyone, welcome to Informatica support videos. This is Mandeepti from Informatica Global Customer Support. In this video, we'll discuss about how to connect to process our PostgreSQL DB on Linux agent. So the secure agent contains a built-in PostgreSQL database that comes with the process server package. So the process server is used to run CA process and connections. So you can find the PostgreSQL directory in your system after installing the process server package in the secure agent directory, apps, process engine, data, and PostgreSQL. This PostgreSQL database holds all the metadata of the connections and processes that is published on the agent. You can also connect to a different PostgreSQL database other than the one that comes with the process server package. So to use that, you need to migrate the existing cluster database dump to that different PostgreSQL database. To log into the Postgres DB from the agent machine, we need to check in which port the Postgres DB is running. For that, log into the Informatica org and navigate to the agent under Runtime Environment Properties and select System Configuration Details, Process Server and DB type. Here in the screenshot, the 5432 is the highlighted port on which the Postgres DB is up and running. To log into the DB and run queries, the PostgreSQL DB must be up and running. To check the status of the same, log into your agent machine and navigate to Process Engine, Data DB Util directory and run the server status.sh command. If it returns accepting connections as mentioned in the screenshot, it means the process server is up and running. If it returns no response, it mentions that the process server is not up and running and you need to start the Postgres DB using the server start.sh command. After that, we can log into the Postgres DB by navigating to Data DB PostgreSQL Linux 64 binaries PGSQL bin directory and run any one of the commands mentioned here. Once you have run the command, it will prompt you for the password. Enter bpel as the password. Now we have successfully logged into the Postgres DB and it will be similar to the screenshot given below. After that, you can run the queries on the Postgres DB. To quit from that PostgreSQL DB, you can enter /quit to quit from that. Now we can go on to the demo. Log into the agent machine and navigate to the util directory to check the status of the PostgreSQL database. After navigating, run the server status.sh command to check the status of the Postgres DB. Now the PostgreSQL database is up and running. Now we can navigate to the PGSQL directory and run the login command. So it will be prompted to enter the password, enter bpel. Now we are logged into the PostgreSQL database. Now we can run the queries to check the status of the Postgres DB or any other table that you want to review on the Postgres DB. So we can run any sample query. So this query returns the whichever process that has run on this particular agent. These are some of the possible issues that you might encounter while running the login command to log into the PostgreSQL DB. To resolve these errors, you need to set the LD library path to the actual PGSQL directory where all those scripts are present. You can refer to the below document and knowledge base link for reference. We would like to hear from you on the feedback of the video. You can write an email to the supportvideos@informatica.com. If you have any technical issues, please raise a support ticket. Thank you.